Hi everyone, let's see our hot sales, shock-absorbing bungee dog leashes. The products use a heavy-duty aluminum carabiner. It can be a 360-degree rotation, efficiently prevents entangling, and is easy to use. The bungee leashes efficiently minimize the pull force from large dogs. The 4-in-1 design makes it become a hot sale product. The products come from Hongju Industry. Hongju Industry is a pet products manufacturer with over 16 years of experience, are keeping in touch with the market and customized sales needs. Keeping our clients satisfied is what we always pursue. Please follow us or leave your comment. We will keep introducing the newest products to you.